Hello everyone, my name is Susi Sumarno. I'm the owner of Cox Education and www.coxedu.com. Today I would like to introduce our latest member in the program, which is called Enrichment Program. So, what is an Enrichment Program? An Enrichment Program is a course consisting of educational videos lesson and practices for a specific subject or topic with supplement learning beyond the regular classroom. So this is one of a kind program which allows you to study at your own pace. Whether you want to learn something new quickly or leisurely, there's no rule for rewind, replay, and keep. Okay, why is an enrichment program is right for you? First, carefully designed series of videos, exercises, and assessments which target key learning points and provide more in-depth knowledge of the subject. And secondly, a multitude of subjects and topics will be available from different curriculums and across all levels. And finally, it is academically challenging and competitively advantageous for learners as they master fundamental concepts and advanced applications of the subject field. So, if you are looking for a new way to learn outside the classroom, enroll in our new enrichment program, the new way of self-learning.